to All About. Today we're going to take a closer look at a beautiful Copic marker. We are going to blend it and we're also going to underpaint it. My name is Elena with violetaink.com. We carry Copic markers, the sketch series, the refill ink, and the replacement nibs. Thank you. We are going to start by building a fence with R29, flick away from it, and then we're going to go on top of it with R27 and R24. This is the natural family combination. We're going to underpaint with B32. B32 is going to desaturate R29. We're using the same R27 on top and then R24. The bonus combination. Every time I color with underpainting, and you are gonna see that every time I do the bonus combination, I'm gonna be underpainting it. So it was B32, R29, R05, and a YR24. This is not gonna be a family combination because it has the YR24. This is the staining test, or more like a erasing test. The idea is, if you make a mistake with R29, will you be able to move it? Let's see. This is what Prismacolor pencils will match with R29. I found two that are the closest, in my opinion. PC 924 Crimson Red. This is gonna be a little bit more on the warm kind of side of the R29, and then PC 195, which is pomegranate, and this is gonna be a little bit on the cool side of the reds. I couldn't find one that exactly matches, but if I was to choose between the two, I would go with Crimson Red. Now we're gonna color this butterfly in 4 ways. The natural family combination. This is R29, R27, and R24. I want you to see the 4 ways that you can actually color just with a few markers. This is underpainted. Underpainting is going to be done where one thing covers another, where there will be some shade or shadow. So this wing is under the one on top, so it should have some shadow. And now we're finishing the blend with R24. Now we're going to do the bonus combination. On top is going to be without underpainting. R29, R05, and YR24. With 358 markers, there's so many combinations. I would love to know yours. Why don't you type it in the comments? Let me know what combinations you like to use R29 in. This is going to be the underpainting. We have to cover B32 with R29 all the way, because B32 is the one that we use to underpaint R29, not R27. R27 is not going to be strong enough to cover it. So this is a high resolution scan next day, not the same day, next day. So the natural family combination is R29, R27, and R24. We underpaint with B32. And the bonus combination with R29, R05, and YR24. Now, in the description box, you will find links to projects where I have used R29. You will also find links to a series that we call Undercover. There you will find a lot of more combinations with the underpainting. We will do the hard work for you, all the swatching. We give you the exact marker that you need to use if you like to underpaint. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you. Talk to you next week. Bye.